Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an onion hair growth pack that can be used to treat bald spots really well. I have already shared an onion hair pack, but it is with egg, and this recipe is without using egg. Onions, especially small onions, also called as shallots, are wonderful for treating scalp problems like dandruff and also for promoting hair growth. Some of you were asking me remedies for treating bald spots, and small onion based hair treatments like this will greatly help. This hair pack will treat split ends, make even the most dry frizzy hair soft and shiny, treat scalp problems like itchiness and dandruff, along with promoting hair growth if used weekly once or twice. Fresh onion extract aggravates sinus infection, and this hair pack is not for people who are prone to sinus infection. Take about 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut in a mixer along with little water and grind to a coarse paste. Now take the ground paste in a strainer and press with a spoon to extract thick coconut milk. Make sure to add only very little water while grinding, as we need very thick coconut milk for this recipe. Take around 15 small onions, peel the outer skin and take them in a bowl. Now add in 1½ tablespoons of the extracted coconut milk. Finally, add in 2 teaspoons of cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Now grind this to a very smooth paste in a mixer. Once finely ground, you will have a smooth paste like this. Now take this pack and apply all over the scalp. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. If you're new to using onion-based hair treatments, I would suggest applying it only for 5 minutes the first time. And once your body agrees to it, you can slowly increase the time to 15 minutes. The paste should be smooth like this. If you feel your mixer will not grind the onions finely, I would suggest pounding the onions in a mortar and pestle before grinding it along with coconut milk and coconut oil. This hair pack drips, so wear a shower cap after applying the pack to prevent any drippings on your dress. Try using this hair pack just once, and once you see the results yourself, I am sure you will continue using it regularly. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.